Imagine this. In just a couple of hours, someone raked in over $70,000. Yeah, you heard that right. $70,000, all thanks to a video on TikTok that was entirely crafted by AI. It's pretty wild to think about how straightforward and lucrative earning money has become these days, especially if you're tuned into the TikTok shop's latest affiliate program. Here's the lowdown. You pick a product from TikTok shop, let AI whip up an entire video showcasing it, and boom, you upload that masterpiece. Let's dive a bit deeper, shall we? This whole frenzy kicked off from a tweet I stumbled upon. A guy named Cal $sign spilled the beans on how an AI-generated TikTok video drummed up $70,000 in sales. Talk about hitting the jackpot. But why did this video take off, you ask? It's simple. The video managed to snag viewers' attention and emotions from the get-go. Fast forward to the end, and there it is, the golden ticket, a link to purchase an oil pulling kit. Every click that leads to a purchase pads the pocket of the video's creator. Easy money, right? Click, buy, earn. This guy turned his AI video into a $70,000 payday without speaking a single word himself. And here's where I let you in on the secret sauce. There's this platform called Data that lets you peek behind the curtain. You can see who's making these killer videos and how much money they're pulling in. Yes, it's a subscription service, but hey, they offer a 7-day trial to get your feet wet. Curious about what makes a video a hit? Data lets you scroll through creators and their top-performing content. It's like having a blueprint for viral success at your fingertips. Now, let's talk results. These videos are not only incredibly easy to produce, we're talking about 2 hours of work, tops, but they're also insanely profitable. It's like we've struck gold in the digital age, and it's about time we start mining it. For all you young hustlers eager to carve out your niche online with AI, this is more than just an opportunity. It's a revolution, and it's happening right now on TikTok. So why not be a part of it? Let's grab this chance and transform those viral dreams into reality. So, you're eager to dive into the world of AI and TikTok, turning the digital sphere into your personal cash cow, especially with those hot-selling health products. Let's break down how to kickstart this venture step by step, making sure you're all set to make waves and cash on TikTok with just AI at your side. Step 1 is all about finding that golden product. Just hop onto Data, and there, on the left, you'll see a treasure trove of categories. This is where your journey begins. Pick a product that resonates with you, one that you believe in. Now let's craft a script that's bound to capture hearts and wallets. Before we dive into script writing, though, let's scope out the landscape. Pages like Stellar Health and Best Healthy Habits? They're your benchmarks. Their secret sauce? Emotion. They weave emotion into their videos in a way that just hooks viewers right in.
If you are over the age of 40, these are the 3 best natural supplements to skyrocket your health. First, sea moss, Dr. Sebi's favorite natural healer, as it provides the body with 92 of 102 vital minerals, helping relieve any joint pain while boosting your energy and immunity. Next, black seed oil, highly potent with countless benefits, like younger, smoother-looking skin, longer, thicker hair, and reduced bloating. Last, burdock root, full of essential antioxidants, and Dr. Sebi approved. He spoke on using burdock root to detox your liver and purify your blood. This right here blends all 3 of these supplements in their best form, plus a whole lot more, like bladderwrack for blood pressure and ashwagandha to manage stress and anxiety. It's called Multi-Mineral, your daily dose of nature's true wellness. Just go to the TikTok shop below and you can purchase yours.
And that's exactly the strategy we'll adopt. Here's where our AI buddy ChatGPT comes into play. When I needed a script, I turned to ChatGPT and fed it this prompt. Remember, if the first draft doesn't dazzle you, tweak the prompt or ask for another go. ChatGPT's versatility is your best friend here. Next up, we're going to dissect this script, breaking it down line by line. Why, you ask? Because each line is going to transform into a visual element, something eye-catching. In the video I showed you earlier, you'll notice the majority of the text is in white, but then, boom! Certain words pop in vibrant colors, grabbing attention. This color coding isn't just for show, it's a strategy. By coloring the text, you're visually guiding your audience through the emotional highs and lows of your video. Positive statements? Bathe them in green. It's the color of go after all. The negatives? Paint them red to signal a stop, a problem that needs fixing. And for those key phrases, the ones you want seared into viewers' memories, highlight them in yellow. This approach isn't just about making a visually appealing video, it's about crafting a journey for your viewers, one that leads them straight to the buy button. By leveraging AI, creativity, and a dash of psychology, you're not just selling a product, you're offering a solution, an emotion, a new lifestyle, and that's the key to turning your TikTok venture into a lucrative stream of income. Next, we're embarking on a visual quest with Midjourney. Use this prompt to create amazing images. Followed by your creative directive, this is where your idea begins to take shape visually. For our visual debut, remember, the hook is crucial. Ever noticed how the most gripping videos feature humans expressing vivid emotions? That's our gold standard. Aim for visuals that portray clear, compelling emotions to captivate viewers from the first glance. Now, on to giving our creation a voice. Swing by 11 Labs, where a symphony of digital voices awaits. While Adam has been the voice of viral hits, feel free to experiment until you find the perfect vocal match for your video. Once you've settled on a voice, let it breathe life into your script. With our script, visuals, and voiceover at the ready, it's time to weave them together into a masterpiece. Enter CapCut, your new best friend in video editing. It's user-friendly, and better yet, free. Creating your video is straightforward. Start with layering your audio, ensuring a seamless flow with no awkward pauses. Next, align your images with the script's narrative beat for beat. Here's where you get to flex your creative muscles. Play around with transitions, zooms, and other effects to make your video pop. Don't forget to scrutinize your competitors' videos to see what's resonating with audiences. CapCut's auto captions feature will be a game changer for adding text to your video. A bit of tweaking here will ensure your captions are not just accurate, but also visually appealing. Now, to elevate the vibe, sprinkle in some background tunes. The TikTok sound, Snowfall, comes highly recommended for its universal appeal. Voila! The masterpiece is complete. Now it's time for the grand reveal.
Ever feel like your breath is holding you back from truly connecting? It's not just you. Many of us have been there, feeling isolated, wondering if our breath is pushing others away. It's a silent struggle, but it doesn't have to be your story. Our pulling oil is more than a solution. It's a new beginning. Let's reclaim those close moments, confidently.
Looking at the final product, it's evident we've hit the jackpot. Your next steps? Dive into TikTok, get involved with TikTok Shop, and watch as your digital efforts translate into real-world earnings. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.